Good morning, dear students. Now we are going to discuss the problem. So all of you read carefully the problem. So the configuration diagram of wrapping machine. The configuration diagram of wrapping machine. Wrapping machine is given in figure. The crank OA rotates at 6 radian per second clockwise. The crank OA rotates at 6 radian per second clockwise. Determine first one, velocity of point P on the bell crank lever DCP. The angular velocity of the bell crank lever DCP and velocity of rubbing at B, capital B, if the pin dia is 20 mm. So three determining values are there. So what from the problem description, what they are given, just you have to write it. So that is the only crank angular velocity, that is our 6 radian per second. So when we know our angular velocity, then simply to find out the velocity. So that is the V equals to omega into R. So that is the just all of you observe that. So the this diagram already given. The diagram is also given. So you may also draw, compulsory you have to draw you must draw this given diagram in your paper. So that is also very important. Okay, given diagram is also draw in your paper. That is also very important and must and should. Okay, so that is the in our diagram they may also mention their link lengths. So that is the OA is 150 mm and AB 950 mm and BQ 400 mm and ED 350 mm and gap between the O to C 350 mm and C to Q 600 mm and DCP is this one L shape link is there. L shape link. This is the L shape link. This is totally one L shape link. This is the, so that is the DCP. DCP is there. So that is the this side is the 600. CP is the 600. Now, how to draw our configuration diagram. Just before going to draw the configuration diagram, first you have to set up the scale. So that is 100 mm equals to 1 centimeter. 100 mm equals to 1 centimeter. So that is there. And now, so angle between our crank. Our crank will make the inclination of 30 degrees. Okay, with this one with the horizontal line. So now just take the protractor and put it the 30 degrees angle bottom side, and now we have to draw the 1.5 centimeter length with the angle of 30 degrees. Just you have to take the 1 point and put it the 30 degrees inclination and 1.5 centimeter length. Is it clear? Later, just all of you from O to so that is the so O is the fixed point, and A is there. Now this horizontal line to up to our C place. So that is the 250 mm is there. So that means 2.5 centimeter line, and just draw the another horizontal line. Another horizontal line. And now just take the vertical vertical line to the O point. So from that, so just you have to take the 3.5 centimeter length up to our C, 3.5 centimeter length. So that is the our from this place to this one. So that is the 3.5 centimeter. And later 3.5 C to our Q. So that is again 6 centimeter length. So these all are what we have drawn. Okay. So those all are references. So that's why we have to draw. Okay, you have to draw uh, in in earlier. So that is the 3.5 centimeter length, and just mark it the line. Mark it. Mark the line, and later 6 centimeter line, and just mark the line and mark the line. Now take the compass and arrange the distance of 9.5 centimeter and cut the R. Just draw the and cut the R now. Cut the R. So now going to draw the our So just draw the R. And now Q point Q. So Q point is also known. So that is the display 600. Okay, 3.5 and 6 is there. So from the Q again arrange the distance of 4 centimeter and cut the R. So where the intersection of so this one and 9.5 and 950 and our 400. So that place is identified with the B. Now C is also there, so that is the 350 where you have to mark it the 350, so that time C is also identified here. Now we have to draw the 600 mm line with the small inclination, maybe so just 100 degrees or angle is there. So just assumption, so that is the 100 degrees assumption is there. So that is the now when we have to identify this line, so then simply to draw the our this line, so that is the our AB line, AB line. Next 606 centimeter length is there, and 100 degrees angle assumption is taken here. So then simply to draw the L-shaped link, and now 950 is there, and gap between the AE, gap between the AE. So that is the nearly to take, this is the 650, and the gap between the our EB is the 300. EB is the 300. So 3 centimeter length, and just you have to identify the E position, E position, E position. And now where you have to identify the E position, then take the compass and arrange the distance of 3.5 centimeter length, okay, of our length. Just cut the arc from this place, 3.5, 3.5 centimeter arc, okay, 3.5 centimeter. So then 3.5 centimeter length. So then this is the, okay, D is also identified. Where you have to okay, where you have to arrange the distance of 3.5 centimeter of our compass and cut the arc on our L shape length. Okay. Now we have to finish the our configuration diagram. So that is also good. Do you understand how to draw the our configuration diagram? So it is a given diagram, but how to construct that given diagram, it is also very important. Sometimes they may also miss the some okay lengths. So that time you have to take the assumptions. So that is also needed. Do you understand how to construct the our given diagram, configuration diagram? Now going to find the our, okay, velocity vector diagram, velocity vector diagram. So before going to find out the velocity, before going to draw the our velocity vector diagram, first we have to identify the our velocity of crank. So that is the VA equals to omega into our R. So that is the omega is 6, and AB is the our OA link is the 0.15 meter. So that is the 0.9 meter per second, 0.9 meter per second. So that is the only known value. 0.9 meter per second is the known. So now so when we find the our okay VA, so then we have to draw the velocity vector diagram. So just first you have to take the one horizontal line, so and choose a point. So that choose a point is the our, this is the point is choosing, okay, just choose a point here, just choose a point. So that is what are the fixed links are there, those all are placed here. So that is the O is there, C is there, and Q is there. So these are the CQ. So O comma C comma Q is there. And now that is rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise. So that is which direction it is rotating. So they are okay, are they given or not? Clockwise direction. So 6 radian per second clockwise direction. So this is the, okay, just observe that. So that means OA angle is there and this is rotating clockwise. So that means towards going to up. OA link is towards going to up. Just observe that. So and the length value is the 0.9, okay, 0.9 meter per second. So before going to this diagram, so set up the scale. So that is also required. So that scale scale 1 meter per second equals to 5 centimeter. Let us take the scale. 1 meter per second equals to 5 centimeter length. So that means a 0.9 meter per second means it may also come nearly to 4.8 centimeter length with the, okay, that direction. The direction is perpendicular to OA. So that perpendicular to OA is the this one. So what the direction is there? So that is the, and that link is towards going up, so that's why we have to draw the perpendicularity is there, and going to draw the upside, so that is the, this direction is there, OA. Okay, OA, perpendicularity of the OA link with the length of 4.8 or something, 4.8 or 4.7 centimeter length. Now going to observe the our AB link, AB. AB perpendicularity. So that is also required. AB perpendicularity. So AB perpendicularity is this side. Okay, this one. So that perpendicularity is required. So now AB perpendicular. Now we have to draw the AB perpendicularity. So but the thing is, how much of the, okay, only you have to draw the perpendicular line, but how much of the length it is, so you don't know. So just you have to draw the, okay, that line. And later C is also there. C is there. C is also fixed link. So that CD, C and DQ is also. So AB is there, and our ED and our BQ. So and CP is also there. So CP means to just see that C is the this, that is also fixed, and P is nearly to have the some, okay, perpendicularity of CP link. So that is the perpendicularity. Just you have to see that. So just a small angle is there. Okay, so that is the almost it is a vertical line. CP is the vertical nearly, but we have some inclination is there. So that inclination, just you have to draw perpendicularity of CP, perpendicularity of CP. And now CD. Now you have to draw the CD perpendicularity. So that is the way you have to draw the CD perpendicularity. This is the CD perpendicularity. Is the CD perpendicularity. And now QB. So that is the B we don't know, but Q is the fixed. So this place is already there. QB link perpendicularity. Again, you have to take the QB perpendicularity. So that is the QB perpendicularity is this one. So that is the where the intersection of QB perpendicularity and AB. So both are intersecting at a place. So then we have to identify the B. OCQ are known. Letter A is known. Letter B is known. So now we don't know the, okay, P direction, CP direction is known, CD direction is known, but where they are we don't know. So uh, now where we have to find out the B point, then simply to find out the E. So for getting the E, so just you have to take the compare the lines. So that is the small AE by AB equals to capital AE by AB. So small AE equals to, so that means 3.5 centimeter. That means a 3.5 centimeter from A. So that is the, just take the scale and measure the distance of 3.5 centimeter from A. So now you have to identify the E. So when you have to identify the E point, E, so then you have the ED is also there. Okay, where you have to identify the E point, then simply to find the ED. So that is the ED perpendicularity. Now going to take the ED perpendicularity. So that is the ED perpendicularity line is this one. So just already CD line is there, and now going to draw the ED line. So that is the both are intersecting. Now going to find the our D. So CD, where you have to identify the CD, now we have to draw the one diagonal line up to our CP, up to our CP. So that is the our our CP. P is also identified now. Do you understand how to construct the velocity vector diagram of our wrapping machine? Wrapping machine. So in this, just observe that how many links are there. It is not simple. So that is the fixed link are one. All the fixed links are considered as the one. So that is the second link, and this is the third link, and this is the fourth, and this is the fifth, and this is the L shape is the sixth. 6 links are there. Okay, 6 links are there. In this, only you have to know the only one link velocity, and you have to identify the other four links velocities by the help of relative velocity method. Okay, so just you will see that when we have to find the this one when you have to completed the velocity vector diagram, then you have to identify the those velocities, that is the VP. uh, they may also find mostly they may also find this, that is the VP equals to vector CP. What is the vector CP is there, vector CP value is there here. Just take the scale and measure the length of CP and just place it. Just vector CP. So that is the 0.32 meter per second. That means if it may come 1.5 centimeter or 2 centimeter, so then 2 by 5, 2 by 5. So that is converted into meter per second. So now going to see here VAB link. So AB link is there. So that is the vector AB. So vector AB value is the 4.5 centimeter by 5. Again, the value has to arrive at 0.9 meter per second. And now VCD. So that is the this centimeter. So that is the 0.7 centimeter is there. 0.7 by 5 scale value. So 5, that means 0.14 meter per second. So now going to take that omega AB. So that is the, so VAB already there. So we have the relation between the omega and V. So that is the omega equals to V by R. So that is the VAB by AB. So that is the omega AB value is the 0.94 radian per second. Now going to take the omega CD link. So that is the VCD by CD. Now the value has arrived here 0.56 radian per second. Now going to find the omega QB line. So that is the QB. So VQB by QB. So that is the 0.565 radian per second. So what the values are there? Velocity of point P and angular velocity of bell crank lever DCP. So this link DCPR. Okay, angular velocity of the link, velocity of the our bell crank lever, that is the CP is there already there, and angular velocity of bell crank lever DCP. So that is the, so when we know the our CDP, so that is the CDP is there. So that is the this value is the, okay, angular velocity of CD is there. So that is the angular velocity. And rubbing velocity, they may also find the rubbing velocity at B. So at B position. So now going to take the our this one AB, omega AB. Omega AB is there. So that is the 0.94. Omega 0.94 into radius of the pin, radius of the pin. So how much radius of the pin value? So radius of the pin is 0.02 into 9.4, 0.02 into 0.94. So then simply to find the velocity of rubbing at B. So that is the 0.94 into 0.02. So just calculate the value and identify the our rubbing velocity at B. Okay. Is it clear? Now going to see the another problem. So that is the lengths of various links of a mechanism as shown in figure. So just all of you observe that. OA, so the given diagram is there. So OA is the 150 mm and AC is the 600 and CQ and QD. So that is the 145 mm and CD is the 125 and BD is the 500 mm. OQ is the 625 mm. The crank OA rotates at 60 rpm counterclockwise. Determine the velocity of slider B and angular velocity of link BD when the crank has turned at angle of 45 degrees. So again you have to draw the given diagram. It is very important. So how to construct the given diagram with the values? Just all of you observe that. Before going to start the diagram, so first you have to set up the scale, that is that 10 mm equals to 1 mm. 10 mm equals to 1 mm. So that means 100 mm 100 mm equals to 1 centimeter. Let us take the scale. So that is the, just set up the scale. So 100 mm equals to 1 centimeter. Just you have to set up the scale. So now choose a point. Just you have to start a point. So that is that this point is there. Sorry. Just you have to start a point O. So, and angle is also there. Crank angle is 45 degrees angle. 45 degrees angle, and with the inclination, okay, with the counterclockwise direction. With the counterclockwise direction is there. The counterclockwise direction. With the counterclockwise direction is there. Now, just take the protractor and put it the 45 degrees angle and draw the OA length is how much? 150 mm. So that means 1.5 centimeter length. Just 1.5 centimeter length. Later OQ gap is also there, 625 mm. So that means 6.2 centimeter length height. Just you have to draw the 6.2 centimeter length height and now draw the one horizontal line. Okay, gap between the OQ is 6.25 centimeter, 6.25 centimeter. And now AC is there, AC length. AC is how much? AC 600. So now we have to take the compass and arrange the distance of 6 centimeter and cut the arc. Cut the arc. And now Q point is also identified here. So what is the gap between the CQ? CQ. So that is the 125 maybe. Just you will see that CQ is the 145. So that means CQ is there. Now CQ length is the 145. So that means 1.4 centimeter length. So now Q, okay, take the compass and arrange the distance of CQ. So that is the our just okay 1.45, 1.4 centimeter length. Cut the arc. So where we have two intersection of our CQ and our AC. So that is the place is identified with the C. Now CD and QD, CD and QD, both are having the sorry. CD is 125 mm and QD is 140, 145. So again, uh, arrange the distance of okay 1.2 centimeter of our compass and our okay cut the arc. So CD is 125 and QD is 145. Now going to identify the D. So now join these points. Now join these points. So that is the CQ is there and CD is there and QD is there. This is the ternary link here. This is the ternary link. And now B. So DB is there. DB is the 500 mm. Now going to take the compass and arrange the distance of 5 centimeter length and cut the arc in our horizontal line. So that is the cut the arc in our horizontal line. So then identified the our B and guide when okay guides are there. So that is the guides. Okay. So the slider is between the our guide vanes. So that is the guides. That is the indicated with G. This is the configuration diagram of our particular configuration diagram of our diagram. Now, what the values are given? Just you have to take that. That is the n value is there. So that is the n is the our okay n value is there. So that n is the our 60 rpm. So then when we know the n value and then simply to find out the omega. So that is the 2 pi n by 60. So just make the calculation. 6.28 is there. Later you have to find the our velocity. So that is the v equals to omega into oa. So then simply to find the our velocity value. So that is the 0.94 meter per second. 0.94 meter per seconds. So only you have to know the only one velocity. But how many links are there here? Just all of you observe that. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and our slider. 6. Six links are there here. 6 links are there. 6 links are there. Now coming to the our velocity vector diagram. Velocity vector diagram. So just you have to take the one point. So that is the OQG that is started with here OQG, and OA already there before going to start our diagram. So first set up this scale. So that is the scale is considered scale equals to uh, 1 meter per second. 1 meter per second equals to 2 centimeter now. 2 centimeter. Just you have to take the scale. So from that, so 0.94 meter per seconds is there. 0.94. So 0.94 means nearly to have 1.8 centimeter length. Okay, with the direction of perpendicularity of OA. So this is the perpendicular, isn't it? So then just you have to draw the perpendicularity. Just you have to draw the perpendicularity and towards bottom. Why? Because it is going to counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. So that's why it is going towards bottom side. So that is the VOA is there. Later AC perpendicularity is also known. AC perpendicularity. Just you have to draw the AC perpendicularity. But we don't know the where we have the C. But just simply to draw the perpendicularity. So C, just a perpendicularity line. OE is identified, OQG is identified, and A is identified. And uh, now going to see the QC. QC is there. QC perpendicularity. Now going to see the QC perpendicularity. Just you will see. QC perpendicularity. Just you will see that QC perpendicularity. So this is the QC is there and the CD is there. So that perpendicularities. Just you will take the perpendicularities. So QC perpendicularity is the this one. So just draw that. Just choose a point and draw the perpendicularity of OA with the length of 1.8 centimeter. OQG is there and A is there. And now perpendicularity of AC. So perpendicularity of AC is this one. Just draw it. And we don't know where we are having our C. So but simply to draw it here. And now QC and QD. So that is there. So QC is the this is the perpendicularity. QC perpendicularity is this one. So just you have to draw it. So that is the perpendicularity of QC and CD. So that is the our where you have to identify the CD. So that perpendicularity is there. So that is the our perpendicularity of CD. So this one, but we don't know the our length. So CD perpendicular. Just you have to draw the CD perpendicular. And now QD perpendicularity. So that is the QD perpendicularity is this one. Where the intersection of our CD and QD. So that is the D point is identified here. Now DB perpendicularity. So that is the DB perpendicularity is there. Just you have to draw the perpendicularity of DB and B. So that is the B is the slider. So the may also moves towards horizontal direction. So that B direction. So from so the direction horizontal line where the intersection of horizontal line to the our BD. So that is the B is also identified. So the values are identified. Okay. Now you will see here all the links of velocities are also drawn here. So later you have to you have to take the values. So that is the velocity of slider. So that means this length. Just take the scale and measure the length of this one. So that is the vector OB. So vector OB is the, it may also comes 1.8 centimeter. 1.8 by 2, that means 0.8, 0.9 meter per second. 0.9 meter per second. Slider velocity, okay, slider velocity is 0.9. And BD, so that is the our BD. So BD link is there, that is the our this one. So BD perpendicularity is this one, okay. So just measure the line, so that is nearly to come 1.4 centimeter by our scale 2 is there. So that is the 0.8 meter per second is there. And where okay, where when you have to get the our BD velocity, then simply to find out the omega BD, angular velocity of BD, that is the 1.4 radian per second. Now any other values are okay asked here. Okay, only they are also okay, only they are also identified these two values, that is the slider velocity and our angular velocity of BD. So you have to finish it the particular way. And the thing is how to construct the velocity vector diagram. So that is very important. Is it clear?